What is going on, guys? Today we are taking a look at another pair of the TWS i500 earbuds, except that these ones are matte black. Now, if you want to see the full review of the TWS i500s, my full review, my full explanation, my testing, my recommendations and all that stuff, head over to the other video. I'll put a link in the description below. I'll put a link in the description below. I'll put also a video clip or a button for it at the end of this video, so you can go check that out if you want the full review. This is just going to be taking a look at the matte black version, and just kind of taking a close look at those, so you guys can get an idea if that's something that you are interested in. Now, with all that said, this is your first time to the channel, welcome to Plug and Play. My name is JDubb, and the goal of this channel and of this video are to help you guys make a better tech buying decision. Now, if that sounds like something you're interested in and you want to see more reviews and other tech related videos just like this one, please consider subscribing to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any other videos. Now, without further ado, let's jump in to the review. Now, before we get started, guys, for full disclaimer and disclosure, the seller of these matte black AirPod clones did actually send these out to me to do this review. I want to just let you guys know this is going to be as non-biased as I possibly can be. I want to help you guys make the best decision that you can, whether you want to buy these or not. I want to make sure that you got the facts. So I wanted to throw that out there to let you guys know that they did send these out to me for free, but I'm going to give you both the pros and the cons of these AirPods, but I wanted to show you the black versions because I think they're pretty freaking sick. So stick around and let's jump into those. All right, guys, so here they are. These are the matte black AirPod clones, the TWS i500. Now, matte black is something that you can only get if you have a modified pair of AirPods or you buy a non-genuine pair of AirPods like these. Now, the great thing about these, though, is that they're matte black. And matte black is just dark mode, matte black, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about. My matte black peeps out there, these are clean looking. I love them. But real quick tour on these guys. You got your small little case just like you would expect with the AirPods. You got your lightning cable in the bottom, you got your LED indicator on the front, you got your pairing button on the back, and everything else looks pretty darn legit. Push the button, and now with the matte black, that green LED looks so sick. I'm not gonna lie, I think that it just really makes the green LED look way cooler than it does on the white one. Just saying, just throwing that out there. Open these guys up, you slide them out, they're AirPods, you know what I mean? They are legitimate looking AirPods in matte black. The matte black does pick up some fingerprints and some oils. You can kind of see them. They don't look super clean all the time, but if you're going for a lower profile AirPod look, something that make people double take a little bit and kind of want to see what you actually got going on here, these are pretty darn cool. So let me show you real quick how these guys pair up, because that is one of the most impressive things about these, that you get the full AirPod pairing experience. So let's check that out right now. All right, so we got the iPhone right here. We got my AirPods right here. We're gonna go ahead and open these guys up, and bam. Okay, this is the actual AirPod flow, which is crazy. So we're gonna hit connect, and it says push and hold down the button on the back. So we're pushing and hold the button, light goes white, connecting, and we're connected. I mean, talking about an AirPod clone, this is as good as it gets right here, ladies and gentlemen. You got your battery life on your earbuds, your battery life on your case, and you're good to go. You flip it back open again, and they just connect just like they should. It's absolutely amazing. So let me tell you a little bit more about these guys, where you can find them, what I think, and if I think they're a good purchase for you. So to be perfectly honest with you guys, these matte black Apple AirPod clones are pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. Being able to get the full experience of pairing and connecting, getting the actual flow for real AirPods out of clones that are a fraction of the price is really impressive. I'm not gonna lie. And the fact that you can get these in matte black is pretty sick. I'm a huge black dark mode fan, I love all that kind of stuff. So getting these in matte black is super clean. So if you're looking for something that's AirPods, people can look at them in their AirPods, but if you want something that's a little bit lower key than the white's not your style, maybe you want to get the white and the black and kind of just have one for different days. You're feeling a little gloomy, you go with the black. You're feeling happy, you go with the white. Whatever you want to do, the fact that you can get the black is pretty sick. At the end of the day, it really comes down to, if you're looking for AirPods but you don't want to pay the AirPod price, right? You up until now, you kind of got something that was like a half, as close as they could get to the real thing. Again, we're still as close as they can get to the real thing, but I think this is to a point now where it's really close to the real thing. I'm not going to jump into a ton of the details because I did do a full review on the white versions of these in a different video, and I'll put a link down in the description below as well as at the end of this video, so you can go check that out for the full breakdown. But sound quality on these, my experience so far is that it's pretty good. The bass is great. They got nice deep bass. Mids and highs, not bad overall. So overall sound signature is pretty darn good. The biggest thing is if you're looking for AirPods, you want a great price, you don't want to pay the full price, you want people to basically look at you and think that you're wearing real AirPods, these are the real deal. So outside of that though, I can't vouch for warranty, longevity, quality. You know, I haven't had enough experience with them, so don't hold me accountable if you buy some of these and they're not, you know, the most legit quality. For what you're getting in the price range of about, you know, at the time you're watching this video, go click the link down in the description below. Okay, got a link in the description below. Click that, go over to the website. That'll be the price. That's the price. Okay, you can go figure out what the price is, but they're significantly less than AirPods. I can promise you that. With all that said, guys, there they are. These are the matte black AirPod TWS i500 clones. Pretty sick. I like them. You might too. So check them out. If you got questions or comments, let me know down in the comment section below. You know, guys, I love having a conversation with you guys down there. But other than that, guys, stick around if you want to. Again, check out the full review in the other video that's coming up over here. But other than that, guys, that's it for me, and I will see you in the next video.